HowtoHenry, Itsy Bitsy Spider. Stop motion video. Yay! Hi everybody, we're going to do HowtoHenry. And we're going to do a stop motion video for Itsy Bitsy Spider. You need tape, glue, string, paper, and hot glue too. And you need the string so you can do the sun. And you need eyes, and you need a spider, and you need some markers. Now we're gonna do this in 1 second. So almost this be 1 second.
What do we do? How do we start this out?
We actually took paper and we wrote it and we planned it out. We took all the stuff to make it, and then we took a bunch of stuff and we made it.
And how do we make it? We took a cereal box, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And everything moves in a different type of sort of way.
Yeah, so we taped the house to it, we taped the trees to it.
And we taped a bunch of stuff to it.
Yeah, we made grass. We made the water. Can we see the water that you made? Because it's going to wash the spider out, right?
Ooh, whoosh, whoosh.
Yep. And then we made raindrops. You want to show our friends the raindrops? Oh, the spider tube. Yeah, show us which one you want to show first.
I just showed the spider.
Yeah, that's our spider. And how do we make the spider? We made him out of clay, right?
Yep, and some eyes.
Yeah, some googly eyes, yes.
And we made sun.
Oh, the rain.
String.
Yeah, so this is our raindrop we made, right?
And this is rain. Oops. One fell. To show you how to do my first part of my movie, we took some clay and some googly eyes, sticked it, and then we took a piece of paper and a cereal box, empty one if you have one, but if you don't, you can't do it. And we take a piece of paper, glue it. If you have glue, you can't do it. But if you don't have glue, you can't do it. But if you do, you can. And you need all of this. You need markers. But if you don't, you can't do it. But if you do, you can. And you need glue eyes, some clay, and tape, paper, and hot glue.
Great. And then so at the start of the song, how's the start of the song go?
Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout.
Perfect. Okay, so then how did you...
And the last part of down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Perfect.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Good. So then can you show our friends how you actually make a stop motion movie at the beginning? So the Itsy Bitsy Spider has to go up the water spout. So how do you do that?
You do this and you take a picture. Do this, take a picture. Do this, take a picture.
Can you show them? Can you show them how we're gonna do it?
You have it here.
Okay. So then we take a picture.
This.
Okay. Let's see. I can't see because your hand's going. There you go. So we take a picture. Yep.
And you do it again.
Okay. Then we take another picture. Okay.
And you move again.
Okay. So slow movements, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you move it again.
Very good. Yep.
And you move it again.
Okay.
And you move it again.
Okay.
You move it again.
So I'm taking pictures this whole time, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Move it again.
Okay.
And you move it again.
Mhm.
And you move it again.
Mhm.
And you move it again.
Uh-oh, he's going in the water spout.
And you move it again.
Oh, he's gone. Cool. That's fun. And then what we do with all our
And
pictures.
the sun was here.
Oh, yes.
And it goes shake, ding, ding, and it disappears. Gone. And then clouds came, really stormy clouds that came down. And then raindrops fall inside and wash the spider out there. And he's out. Behind the scenes of the movie. The Itsy Bitsy spider is crawling to the water spout. The rain is coming. Here's the raindrops. Sometimes clouds fall and you have to pick them up again. Down comes the rain and washes the spider out. Watch out, spider! Are you ready for the video? 3, 2, 1.